Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through how I built this simple but cool drying rack. The first thing I'm doing is measuring how high I want the drying rack to be. I'm also marking where my studs are located. I am now trying to get a sense of how long I should keep the 1x5 lumber. Make sure to cut a few inches longer so you can center the rack. This is the one and only cut of this project. Before I stain the lumber, I'm putting wood conditioner, which will help even out the stain. After the conditioner has dried, I apply the stain. The color I'm using is Special Walnut. These are the items I'm using for my rack to hold the clothing. I'm using black matte spray paint over the pieces. This is how everything looks once they're dried. Instead of buying black screws, I'm spray painting the ones I have. Now I'm drilling the lumber into the studs. I recommend using a level for this part. I pre-measured to ensure that everything would be centered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.